Hey guys, I haven't posted a clock video in a while. This is one that I just serviced recently, and it's going to ring pretty soon. It's a Black Forest Wag-On-The-Wall clock. It's got all the original finish. It's got mother of pearl inlay dots around the dial. The front is a... oh, here we go. The front is wood grained, or grain painted I should say, with these little patterns. It's made to look like rosewood veneer. Then the dial is beautiful, hand painted, original brass hands, the original chains and weights. The only thing that's been replaced on it is the pendulum, which I assume was lost at some point. It's a 30-hour clock. And there we go. You can hear the Bergin fuller over there. I've got it right now in the kitchen. And if you want, I have more pictures on my clock website, jcclocks@blogspot.ca. Hope you like this.